Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to help you find the perfect swimsuit. Whether you're hitting the beach, lounging by the pool, or just working on your tan, choosing the right swimsuit can make all the difference. So let's dive in. First up, know your body type. Are you an hourglass, pear-shaped, athletic, or something else? Understanding your body shape will help you find a suit that flatters your figure. For instance, if you're pear-shaped, a high-cut leg can elongate your silhouette, while a halter top can balance out your proportions. Next, consider the activity. Are you planning on swimming laps, playing beach volleyball, or just sunbathing? For active days, look for swimsuits with good support and secure straps. If you're just relaxing, you can opt for something more stylish and less functional. Color and pattern are also key. Dark colors and vertical stripes can be slimming, while bright colors and bold patterns can highlight your best features. Don't be afraid to try something new and step out of your comfort zone. Material matters too. Look for fabrics that offer UV protection and are chlorine resistant if you're planning to spend a lot of time in the pool. Quick drying materials are also a great choice for comfort and convenience. Don't forget about fit. Make sure the swimsuit fits well in all the right places. It should be snug but not too tight, and you should feel comfortable moving around in it. When in doubt, try different styles and sizes until you find the one that makes you feel confident and happy. And finally, accessorize. A cute cover-up, a stylish hat, and a pair of sunglasses can elevate your beach look instantly. Alright, that's it for today's swimsuit guide. Hit the beach with confidence and have an amazing time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you later.